Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cute layered card for you. This is my Salty Mom layered card. How fun is that design? You have the little sentiment there inside the sun that says Salty Mom Beach Club. You have the cute little sunglasses, the sunburst there, and then that little boat with some pretty awesome waves there. You have plenty of space on the inside for your message. And of course there's an envelope as well. Now this one came about because I keep seeing like decor at Home Goods or Michael's or Hobby Lobby that say salty hair don't care, things like that. So that's where this kind of sentiment came from. So I hope that you like it. It's really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now the first thing I'm going to do is layer that front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download for you to take a look at, but from back to front, you're going to start with the pink layer, then yellow, then lighter blue, and then the darker teal color. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer this together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. Alright, there is that front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And we can set that to the side. Now grab your card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card base and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close the card base, and we're going to attach the front cover panel to the front. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this card? I really love the different layers. There's a lot of dimension in the card, and I really hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye-bye.